Oh yeah, it's snowing now. This is the big Snowmageddon. Whatever, this is probably going to be the biggest storm we've had this season down here in the Carolinas. Possibility of ice, which is why I've moved the table and everything out of range in case we have any branches that fall. Oh, this is nice. It's Tuesday morning. This is supposed to go through Thursday morning, a full 48 hours. Yeah, this could be fun. Yeah, I'm not going to be driving in this. We have any more frozen roads in front. I'm sure I'm going to be recording some idiots trying to drive on it. So, but yeah, we're just getting started. It's been snowing since about 6:30 in the morning. It's now about 11:30. Not sticking yet, but it's getting there little by little. So we'll be doing updates throughout the day. See what we get. Oh man, well, we've already got about an inch, close to 2 inches. Still coming down. Nice. Oh yeah, we're getting a nice coating on the plants. Sticky stuff, so we're going to probably start seeing some trees bending over here pretty soon. Won't be long. So we lost the top of that pine right there last year. We had a heavy snow and it just snapped it in half. But yeah, it's starting to look like a winter wonderland out here now. Still having a hard time sticking to the ground though. It's still too warm. But yeah, this is just the beginning. Yep, we got icicles now, so we're now below freezing. Or at freezing. Another update, we've got about 2 inches. Yeah, we're about 2 inches. Don't think we're going to get much more out of this storm. This is round one actually, looking at the radar. They're calling this a wave. And everything's white already. Well, this wave is moving out. The next round, which is the big storm, round 2, that's on its way, coming out of Texas. That's going to be the monster that's going to be affecting us tonight and tomorrow. So, yeah, nice, lovely, snowy scenery right now, but depending on, again, the levels of cold air in the atmosphere, we will either see snow or sleet or freezing rain, which could turn into an ice storm and could be really devastating here. No matter what, it's going to be frozen precipitation of some sort. So, yeah, the woodpeckers up there yelling. So, yeah, we'll probably film a little bit more of this before the snow stops. Yeah, we got a little bit of weight on the pines. They're not keeled over yet. Yeah, temperature's 31 degrees and continuing to fall. We're going to be dropping to the 20s tonight. Oh, lovely. So this will not be melting. And now it sounds like they're extending the forecast into Thursday. It was supposed to be over Thursday morning, but just got the update. No, this could be continuing on. So, oh boy. Wow, it's continuing to drop. We're closing in on 3 inches here. And this is supposed to be winding down, but all of a sudden we got this burst at the back end of this storm, and man, everything is coating up even more so. Even the pines are starting to get some weight on them now. But yeah, this is the thick stuff now. Huge flakes are falling. Wow. And again, this is just a wave, is what they're calling it. Round one. This is not even the main storm that's getting ready to roll in. But oh yeah, we don't get snow like this very often. But here lately, it's been. Well, we had some last year. Now we've had a couple this year. So. Yeah. Yeah. looking really white here. I don't know where Bonix is at. I know she's around, but she's probably keeping warm, which is probably what I'm going to do. Yeah, she's about eating her food too. I'm going to have to bring her some food out here. Yeah, it's about 3 inches. Nice. I just swept this off for a place to walk, and it's already coated over again. Oh, look, there's Bonix. Finally coming out. I got you some food. I got you some tortillas and some vegetables. I know you like it. Yeah, got some water. Yeah, Bonix doesn't care about the snow. Okay, it's 5 o'clock and round 1 is pretty much done and over with. But I got 3 inches of snow I got to get off of the top of the gazebo, because now the latest forecasts and estimates for the storm tomorrow are as much as 10 inches of snow here and possibly freezing rain on top of that. So if that happens, yeah, we're going to have some problems, big time. But for now, you can see my gazebo is really starting to sag a bit from the snow. I got to get all this off here in preparation for round 2. So stand by. Yeah, more better, except for the corners, but that's not too big a deal. So now you can see a little bit of sunlight through, so let's keep a tab on this for round 2. So yeah, fun times, fun times. All right, well, until tomorrow, I start filming the big storm. Adios.